Hi friends, I'm going to share with you how I consistently made investing work over and over and over again. Have you made an investment and got burnt in it? It really sucks big time and some will never recover. I made it my mission to help as much people as possible because I know this destroys lives. I'll share with you one of my investing mistakes later. But first, can you help me like this video because it helps a lot to push this video to more people. While I do agree building wealth is not instant, just like everything in life, from muscle building to the relationships you form in your life to the skills you have now, nothing is instant. So in this video, I will break down my thought process and how you can apply my thought process to the investments that you make. I need you to write this down somewhere, maybe on a piece of paper, burn it and drink it down, or tattoo this on your forehead. This applies to 99.99% of investments out there. The value of the asset is directly proportional to the impact it makes on this world. Let's say you are Apple. Why is it worth over $1 trillion? Think about the amount of people using their products. Think about Apple Watch. Think about how many lives the Apple Watch saved, and think about the impact this company has on the world. Think about Microsoft, Google, etc. Their net worth is directly proportional to the impact it has made on this world. Granted, sometimes there are some things that are overvalued or undervalued, but over the long term, the true value always shows. In the stock market, there are thousands and thousands of companies to choose, so just pick the best. The stock market is great because liquidity is there. You don't need to worry if you can't sell your stock and urgently take out your money. The transaction fees are pretty low. Think about real estate. Why is that piece of real estate worth that much? It has to do a lot with the correlation to rental income it provides, which translates to value. So now, while I do invest in real estate, it is a totally different investing game as I do not see properties doubling in value. Also, real estate liquidity is low. That means selling is pretty hard and transactional fees are pretty high. Crypto. For crypto to be worth much more, there must be a real use case and mass adoption. If the above is true, crypto will be worth millions. I do own one Bitcoin, but it's more like a hedge for me. For me, nothing beats investing in a company, a real business impacting the world. Some may ask, since you say value is directly proportional to the impact the company makes, why does a shitty company like Nikola worth billions? Okay, answer is short term, shit happens. Heard of this quote? Facts tell, story sells. Selling a dream is super easy. Investors buy into a story because that's how they get burned. A super beginner mistake, a mistake I made previously. I will share with you one of my mistakes I made so you learn from my past mistakes and not make the same. Previously, I bought a lot of pre-IPO shares offered by a company called 8i. On top of that, I paid about $8,000 for a 2-year membership to access these pre-IPOs. At the point of sale, of course, everything looks good, and it's my mistake for not researching. I thought it was a Singapore-based company listed on the Australian Stock Exchange. I didn't do my research. After all, they teach value investing. Well, the investment is as good as gone now. It's a painful lesson and I take full responsibility for that. A lesson like that made me a better investor today. I also invested into other products, but that's a story for another time. Just remember, true value will show over the long term. Hype only lasts a while. This is the most important aspect you need to focus on. Next time you invest, think of the company you are investing in. Think about its future impact. I have a tip for you. In the next 10 years, where will the money flow? I don't know about you, but it is pretty clear a lot of money will flow to decarbonization. The governments made it clear. People made it clear.
How dare you?
It's as clear as it gets. This strategy above I just shared with you, it doesn't involve around looking at financial numbers, technical analysis, algo trading, or some miracle investing app or software. Think about it. If there is such a thing, there wouldn't be so many fools in this world. As simple as it sounds, this strategy never failed. You only sell if the fundamentals change. Don't worry, fundamentals change doesn't happen overnight, so chill. You watch what I did for Illumina, selling before the stock came crashing down. Wrapping up, next time when you select something to invest, think about the impact this asset has on the world. Your answer becomes pretty clear. Invest in a real business. Once invested, think of it like a business partner and let time do its job. That's how you grow your wealth the right way, the consistent way. Appreciate the thumbs up. I hope you learned something in this video. Invest safe and don't be a donkey.